South Africa today joins the families and lawyers of slain miners, mining union AMCU and opposition parties in commemorating those who died during the Marikana massacre at the Lonmin mine out in Rustenburg. Many questions remain unanswered around accountability for the events that led to the deaths of 34 miners at the hands of police on this day in 2012. With former police chief Riah Phiyega Classen Commission findings still on review, justice for the Marikana families continues to be delayed. The families have filed a 1.4 billion rand claim seeking compensation for the loss of their loved ones' lives.
The Commission has also questioned the conduct of the police management during the inquiry.
In 2015, the final outcome of the Farlam report was announced, and Phiyega was put on suspension with full pay. Her annual salary, 1.9 million rand. The battle lines were drawn.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Mukari. You may proceed.
And the stage was set for the Classen Commission of Inquiry to review Phiyega's fitness to hold office. After weeks of legal wrangling, the commission made its findings. Phiyega was found guilty on 5 main charges. Whether she and the police leadership misled the Farlam Commission of Inquiry by concealing that it had taken a decision to implement a tactical option. Whether she should have reasonably foreseen the tragic and catastrophic consequences which ensued from the tactical option. Did the remarks she made at the police parade on the 17th of August 2012 endorse police action? Did the report she sent to the president deliberately conceal the fact that there were 2 shooting incidents, resulting in misleading the public that all the deaths had occurred at one scene? The findings against Phiyega were a condemnation of her actions. Phiyega appealed the ruling, seeking a court review of it.
We are saying that, firstly, based on the evidence that we've presented, you should actually acquit her of all the charges.
Parliament's Portfolio Committee announced it would wait for the outcome of the court case before making a pronouncement on it. For the families of the men who died in Marikana, some hope. President Jacob Zuma mandated state attorneys to meet the legal representatives of all the Marikana claimants. The process of compensation would see the families paid out for the pain and suffering they endured. A call echoed by Amnesty International. Collectively, the widows and the injured miners want over 1.4 billion rand in compensation.
Contact crimes remain stubborn in this.
While Phiyega was ultimately held responsible, the policemen implicated in the deaths of the 34 miners were never charged. Nor those responsible for the deaths of the 10 men who had died in the preceding days. Lawyers for the mine workers and the families indicated that they would not rule out the possibility of launching an international court bid for justice by approaching the International Criminal Court, as they believed not all the role players were held to account. Nozintombi Mia, SABC News.